Every day, a new crypto project is born, and almost every day, another one dies. You dream of wealth, freedom, that Lambo parked in the driveway of your passive income palace. But 90% of crypto projects, they crash and burn harder than your New Year's fitness goals. Quick screen flash. RIP, meme coin 9000. Funny visual pattern interrupt narrator. Why does this happen? And how do you avoid being just another cautionary tale in someone else's Reddit post? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to spot the landmines, before your wallet does. Let's talk truth. Most crypto projects fail because they're built on hype, not utility. Flashy websites, vague white papers, anonymous founders with cartoon profile pics. Sound familiar? You're not investing in technology. You're investing in vibes. And vibes don't hold value when the market dips. Cut to humorous line. Just because it has a rocket emoji doesn't mean it's going to the moon. Quick chuckle moment. Narrator, if a project can't answer one simple question, what real-world problem does this solve? It won't survive the next bear market. And here's where it gets scary. When you ignore fundamentals, you risk more than your cash. You risk your future. I've seen people lose years of savings overnight because they chased the dream instead of doing the due diligence. Think about it. How would you feel waking up tomorrow, realizing your investment is worth 6 cents and some broken promises? Cut to fake news. Headline: Influencer coin declared rugged. Founder spotted in Dubai. Funny, fear-driven pattern interrupt. But here's the twist. While most fail, a few explode into generational wealth. So what separates the rug pulls from the rockets? Smart investors ask 3 questions. 1. Who's behind the project and can I verify them? 2. Does the token have utility outside of speculation? 3. Is there a roadmap? And are they hitting milestones? It's not about hype. It's about habits. Wealth is a long game, not a lucky spin. You're not just here to make money. You're here to build a life of freedom. And that begins with asking better questions before pressing buy. Still hungry to level up your financial game? Then tap the video on screen now, where I break down the power of compounding and how small, smart moves today can make you unstoppable tomorrow.